Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a hair review, first impression on the magnificent, very spoken about bedhead A Wave We Go. I used to actually do this in middle school a long time ago. I think I thought I was doing it, but I was doing it with a crimper. Yeah, I pretty much like it. I'll show you guys how I did it. It took me some time. If you guys have a lot of hair, this is gonna take a long time because you are doing section by section. It's not like you're straightening it as it goes, but I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, this review. Let me know if you guys purchased this down below. Let me know what you guys purchased in the comments from the Ulta 28 Days of Hair stuff that they were doing the sale. I want to know what you guys got. All I got was this. My mom did get a hair blow dryer and some other products, so I'd love to know. And stay tuned, keep watching. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put it on 325. It goes from 375 and then lower. That's the highest it goes. I think it got hot pretty quickly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go ahead and brush a little bit of my hair just to make sure it's nice and detangled. I'm gonna do only 2 seconds, so I'll just divide my hair. And I have the mirror here, so if I look that way, I'm sorry. I'm gonna go ahead and divide it like halfway up and see how this goes. I've been seeing that, you know, this is going, but I used to do this like in high school, I feel, and I really loved how it looked, but I would never get like the right one, and I feel like from all the reviews and everything I've been hearing, I think this is it. So let's try. I'm scared. Okay, so I'm guessing this part goes away from the face because that's just like too much, even though I would want this one to go there, but let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I got a nice little dent. My hair is black, so it's hard for you guys to see a little bit. Wow, it's looking very nice. It's interesting. This is my first time doing it, so it's probably not perfect, but I will try. Oh god, this is interesting. Oh my god, I got a little burnt. This is real time, guys. Real time. Making sure. I don't know, I would say maybe like 8 seconds, you think? Yeah, that one has more curl in the game. I think once you keep going, this will, you know, it'll take practice, but it'll be fine. You'll know like exactly where to go. I like it, guys. I like it. I think first I'm gonna do the bottom and really show you guys the top, how it's done, because I feel like the top is gonna look, I'm not really caring about the bottom side because since it's hiding under my black hair. So like I said before, I don't really care about the bottom layer because you're not gonna see that too much. Mind you, it's meant to be like a messy look, so you could do it as tight or as loose as you want, but you can see it already has like some wave texture. It's really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and let the top go. This is where I'm getting nervous because I have bangs, so how does one do the bangs? And I'm not gonna all like bunch it up, I'm just gonna do like small sections. All right guys, I'm going in. Wish me luck. Wish me lots of luck. I'm gonna go all the way here, all the way from the root. This is not the hottest setting. Oh look at that nice little dent. I love that. So I'm gonna go in that dent. I went like in the middle dent and continued so it doesn't look like a break in the hair. So you want to kind of make it look uniformed. Look at that. So you see there's a dent. Very nice. This, if you have a lot of hair, I feel bad for you because this is gonna take a long time, and my arm is I'm sweating, guys. Yeah, I think I got the hang of it. Yeah, it's gonna look so pretty. You see, guys? So you see this little end? I want to go ahead and get it in the last loop. Ooh, that didn't work out. Even if you have to like redo it, I don't want to make the end look like so lost in life. I want to look kind of uniformed. That looks so good. The machine is a little heavy. The hair tool is a little heavy, I will say. So if you have something to lean yourself on, that would be nice. This is definitely like a summer vibe type of hair. Very mermaid. You can make them tighter, you can make them looser, which is why I like this one. It doesn't really give it just one style way. So for the bangs, guys, I don't know what to do, but I'm just gonna act like it's the same thing. I'm just gonna put it in there, see what happens. I think that's the good thing, to hold the end as you go until it lets you go no more. Maybe it might let you control more. Okay, that's how that side's looking. Okay, so I know I have black hair, so it's not like the best I could do. But you see how thick this part is, like lengthwise, not widthwise? You want to go ahead and like cut it in the middle and then do them as two separate parts, because you don't want the sections to be too wide. You want it to still kind of give it that messy, beachy look. That looks horrible. And then you go ahead, girl. I feel like the hardest part is the bangs. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys. I'm doing the same thing. Start from the root, let it chill, hold the end, go on the second dent. You'll feel it too. You'll feel when the second dent is, so not to worry. I'm not doing them too much. Off, okay. Whew. Okay, so I'm done with, I'm pretty happy. I think it looks pretty nice. I'm not sure if I should add mousse to it, if that's too much. I feel like I used to do mousse in high school. Maybe I shouldn't do mousse, or should I put some argan oil? I feel like I have a lot of like little pelitos, little hair standing up. So maybe I'll do a little argan. So this one is the chai argan oil. I actually like this one a lot. I kind of put it on my hair almost every 3 days. I just put very little. So I'm gonna pat down the top and just like squeeze a little bit, not too much because I don't want it to flatten it out. Well guys, what do you think? Do you like it? Oh, I feel like the back looks way better than the front. I feel like I really like this. I feel like it looks very appropriate with the season, very summery. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I give it, I don't know, I feel like this, I like it, I enjoy it. It's just, it's a little heavy. I am not the best person with carrying heavy things because I'm just not that strong, so I should probably work on that myself. But I feel like it's a great hairstyling tool. Bedhead has never really done me wrong. I heard their blow dryer one is really good. So if you guys happen, I actually got this for the Ulta, the 28 days of hair, whatever, and I got it on sale. So I got it half off. So I'm like, okay, why not do it? And I'm happy with it. It's gonna take some practice. I'm sure you guys, it's gonna take some practice, but be patient. Like everything, like makeup, like blending, this takes a lot of patience. So yeah, if you guys like this video, let me know. Leave a comment down below. What is that, a Boston accent? And that's it. I hope everybody stays safe. Love you guys.